Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the urgent update of the TRX scrap to absolutely TRX holders. Wake up and do this before July, my friends. As you know, today is the last day of the June month, and now at this time, in the last day of the June, the price of the TRX start moving upwards. So, my friends, I believe that TRX will take a huge pump in the July month. The changes will be going positive in the July month. So that's why I have an important advice for all of you that please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake at this time, so absolutely maybe there is a possibility to you lose your money in the TRX. But if you follow ABS station, so there is a possibility to you will get double, triple profit in the July month, my friend. So do this now. Anyways, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos. My friends, this time the latest price of the Tron TRX is this time is 0.06 USD dollar. You can see here that is the currently latest price of the TRX in the market, 0.06 USD dollar. And you know what, my friends, in the start of June the price of TRX is very badly falls down, but now in the end of June the price start jumping, my friends, and in this time also the changes is going positive. So that is why I'm telling you to please do this before July month, my friends. So what do this before July month? You can see here, my friends, now if you look the changes of the Tron TRX scrap tool, you can see here the changes is going positive in the TRX. So now that is only the last 1 week changes of the TRX, my friends. So in the last of week, in the simply, my friends, and the last week of June the TRX start pumping, and my friends, if they start jumping in the last of June, so absolutely, my friends, that's necessary for TRX that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends, for 2-3 days. No, they will continue this pump for 2 week, maybe possibilities to 1 month, 2 months. So my friends, in the July month, possibilities, technical analysis, my personal research tell me that TRX will continue this pump for a long time, and maybe throughout this whole July month TRX continue positive change. So absolutely buy more and more TRX and invest more and more TRX. Absolutely, they will give you profit in the future. That's only my prediction. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. At this time, I recommend for everyone to please buy more and more Tron crypto. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.